Good day, I'm Tom Vaughn, the coordinator of music, arts, and performance here at Old Sturbridge Village, and today I'm going to be playing an original square piano made in 1839 in Boston, Massachusetts. This piano in particular was recently donated to us. This is the newest musical instrument we have here at Old Sturbridge Village, and it was made by Chickering and MacKay in 1839. It's called a piano forte or a forte piano. In this case, we like to call this instrument a forte piano because it has a full cast iron harp, something that's extremely unusual on pianos of this period. This piano has 3 pedals on it. Most pianos from this time have 2 pedals, maybe 1, maybe 3, but this one in particular has 3 pedals that have 3 different purposes. The first pedal is called the Aeolian harp, and what that does is that actually slides a mechanism underneath the strings, in between the hammers and the felts, and it creates a much different sound to this instrument. When I push the pedal down, you can hear this chord, and when I let the pedal off, it sounds much more natural. So that's the effect of that key and that pedal there. The middle pedal is full sustain. What that means is when you push that pedal down, all of the notes are able to sustain and hold themselves, even if you take your fingers off the keys. And the third pedal, which is the one all the way to the right, that one actually only is half sustained. So the upper notes of the keyboard are sustained, the lower notes are not. In addition to having a full cast iron harp, which is extremely unusual for a piano of this period, this instrument also has an adjustable music stand and a second music stand for vocal accompaniment, something that you don't see very often in early 19th century forte pianos or pianofortes.